Hello children, my name's Jess. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Can you remember what a phoneme is? Yes, that's right, a sound. Can you remember what a grapheme is? Yes, that's right, a sound written down. Can you remember what a digraph is? Yes, two letters that make one sound. Great remembering. Let's read some phonemes you know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. The first flashcard says A and this trigraph says I. Now you have a go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. A, I, E, J, A, O, D, Ng, K, A, Sh, Ch, E, I, B, P. I'm going to mix the cards up. Let's read the graphemes on the cards. I want you to read them aloud. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Sh, ch, k, e, I, b, p, I, E, J, A, O, A, D, Ng, or V, K, A. Well done, super sounds. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is V. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. V, I, S, this. This shows the person, place or thing you are talking about. Let's have a look at another word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is A. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. S, A, L, sail. The boat sets sail on the sea. Let's have a look at our another word. Can you spot the trigraph? Yes, the trigraph is I. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Tight. His shoes were too tight. Let's look at our final word. Can you spot the trigraph? Yes, the trigraph is I. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Night. The moon comes out at night. Well done. Great reading. I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. Night. Sail. This. Tight. Well done. Today we are going to learn to read a new sound. O. O. Copy me. O. O. Right, let's sound talk some words with the phoneme O. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. K, O, T. K, O, T. You have a go. K, O, T. Coat. She put on her coat to keep warm. Copy me. Say the sounds and then blend the sounds to say the word. T, O, D. T, O, D. You have a go. T, O, D. Toad. The toad hopped into the pond. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. L, O, F. L, O, F. You have a go. L, O, F. Loaf. He bought a loaf of bread. The sound O is written like this. Two letters making one sound is called a digraph. This digraph makes the sound O. Let's read the sound O. Can you say the sound O each time I show you the digraph? O. That was excellent. Well done. Now let's read some words with our new sound O. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. K, O, T, coat. Did you get it right? Let's have a look at another word. Read each grapheme and then blend the word to read aloud. Now let's read the word together. S, O, P, soap. Did you get it right? Let's look at another word. Now let's read the word together. G, O, T, goat. The goat eats all the grass. Let's look at another word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Let's read the word together. O, d, load. She carried the heavy load. Let's read another word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. O, d, road. They crossed the road carefully. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. O, f, loaf. Did you get it right? Can you read these words now without any help? Let's check. Read them with me. Coat, soap, goat, load, road, loaf. Well done. I'm going to mix the cards up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. Road, loaf, goat, soap, load, coat. Incredible! We are on fire today, children. Let's learn to read a tricky word. We're going to learn to read the word me. Well, the first bit is easy. But the second bit is tricky. The grapheme says E. When I read it, I say E. Now read the word with me. E, me. Awesome. Now read it to yourself. What's the word? Sorry, what was that? Yes, the word is e, me. Now let's practice reading this tricky word that you have met before. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is the letters O, which says O. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. O, no. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in it. Have a look at this. Can you see a word with our focus sound O? Yes. Coat has the digraph O. He wore a big coat. Can you see any other words with digraphs or trigraphs? Yes. This, tight and right all have digraphs or trigraphs. I is a trigraph because it has 3 letters. And th is a digraph because it has 2 letters. Now I want you to read the word aloud as I point to the words. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. No, This coat is tight. It is not right. I think she might need a new coat. Let's have a look at another sentence. Can you see a word with our focus sound O? Yes, goat has the digraph O. The goat eats all the grass. Can you see any other words with digraphs? Yes, that's right. Tail, rain and licks all have digraphs. Can you see the tricky word we learnt to read today? Yes, me is our tricky word. Now, I want you to read the word aloud as I point to the words. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. The goat gets a wet tail in the rain and licks me. The wet goat did lick me. Wow! Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell two words with our focus sound O. Let's spell coat. Segment the sounds with me. Coat. K-O-T. Let's count how many sounds there are. K-O-T. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write coat. K-O-T. Coat. Now I want you to have a go. Say the word coat. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the digraph O. Okay, let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Let's now try and spell soap. Segment the sounds with me. Soap. S-O-P. Let's count how many sounds there are. S-O-P. That's 3 sounds. Okay, watch me write soap. S-O-P. Now I want you to have a go. Say the word soap. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the digraph O. Right, let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Well done. Okay, let's learn to spell a tricky word. We can read the word me, so now let's spell it. Segment the words with me. Me. M-E. Let's count how many sounds there are. M-E. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write me. Well, the first bit is easy. But the second bit is tricky. We write this letter for the sound E. E, me. Now you have a go. Say the word. Me. Say the sounds. E. What's the tricky bit? Write them down. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Well done, children. You worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. See you soon for another lesson with letters and sounds.